Hey there, are you looking at getting started with high ticket affiliate marketing? Do you wish to experience the incredible freedom I found of earning online anywhere and at any time? Well, hello there. My name is Bartholomew and I can show you how. And thank you for joining me here now. But first, listen to my short story on how I got involved with high-ticket affiliate marketing. We all wish to let go of our 9-to-5 jobs, don't we? And work from home or anywhere else on our own terms. But for me, during the pandemic, working from home seemed like a dream come true. More time with family, no tiresome commutes, and no office politics. However, despite working from home, I found myself spending even more time in front of my laptop than I ever expected. What's more, I grappled with feelings of guilt whenever I took breaks or stepped away from my laptop. I wondered, how can I put all this energy into becoming my own boss rather than being a remote or hybrid employee? So first I tried cryptocurrencies, but of course I faced many risks and market volatility and loss of savings. It was great during the bull run, hold and watch, but when the crypto winter came, the only strategy left was smarter trading. But trading was not my thing, so I decided to be a crypto hodler and wait until the next bull run. I insisted to myself I needed something else to complement my crypto, so I started to explore e-commerce. It was either that or redoing my resume and going back out on the job market. In e-commerce, I started with drop shipping. I did an online course and spent months building my own store, finding my niche, and designing a strategy to find my winning product. I really enjoyed building the store, selecting the products, and all the design aspects. That was cool. But what I did not enjoy was the time to get the traction and the traffic. When some sales started, the customer complaints came in. I had to test the products. There was supplier frustration, long shipping times, and for me, it was not fun. And worst of all, which really caught me out, was the funding on Facebook and Google. The ads drained my savings. Then I decided, why not look at marketing affiliate, selling other people's products? I've come this far, I'm going to give this a go. So I began to explore Amazon affiliates. I spent time there, but the commissions were too low and the competition too high. I really needed something even better. So finally, I found the game changer. I discovered high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the most important point is it's selling other people's digital products that have a high commission. So remember, the keywords are digital products and high commissions. The advantages are it's low risk, low investment, highly scalable, and I targeted commissions from 30 to 100% of the advertised product sale value. The best part is you're free from product inventory worries, no products to manage, no suppliers to deal with, no shipping delays, no customer complaints, or any customer service at all to deal with. I really found what I was looking for. So if you're ready to take the first step, just look at this amazing free ebook offer I have that helps you get started immediately. Here it is. So here it is. To get your free book, visit my site, mariobartholomew.com, or you can scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments to get to the same site, your free ebook gift. The free proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So remember, I mentioned throughout the video, you don't need a product. You are selling other people's product. You need very little experience, and certainly you don't need to be a tech expert. So visit my site and click the free book download, and you'll be on your journey saying goodbye to your 9-to-5 job, create passive income, shows you how to build a life of complete time and financial freedom, work from anywhere at any time, and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which is what allowed me to have my freedom and do what I need to do anytime, anywhere. Thank you. So as a reminder, please scroll down below this video and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description to get your free ebook that will show you how to start your journey to success with high-ticket affiliate marketing. You'll have the opportunity to earn income online, anywhere, anytime, just like I'm doing. Now that's amazing. So thank you for listening.